Hi friends, welcome back on our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about deviation produced by a thin lens. Now here we have a principal axis. This is our convex lens or a thin lens. Here we have our object. Now if a ray move towards the optical center, then it will pass through the lens without any deviation. So the direction of ray OL after refraction will be this one. Now this is our another ray. This ray incident on the point P of the lens, and if there is no lens, then it will follow this path. But due to refraction from this lens, it follow this path, and at the point I, both rays meet together. So I will be the image of object O. Let LP equal to H. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta, and this one is delta. So delta is the angle of deviation. Here I is the image of the object O. Now from triangle OPI, so triangle OPI, delta equal to alpha plus beta, because external angle equal to sum of interior angle. Here delta is our external angle, whereas alpha and beta are internal angle. So delta equal to alpha plus beta. For paraxial rays, alpha and beta are very small. So when angle is small, then tan theta equal to theta. So here alpha and beta are very small. So alpha will be nearly equal to tan alpha and beta will be nearly equal to tan beta. Now from triangle OPL and triangle PIL, alpha equal to tan alpha and tan alpha equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan alpha equal to PL upon OL, and this will be equal to alpha. Let U be the distance of object from optical center, whereas V is the distance of image from optical center. So PL equal to H and OL equal to U. But by using sign convention, LO will be minus U. So alpha equal to H upon minus U. Now in triangle PLI, beta equal to tan beta and tan beta equal to perpendicular upon base, that is PL upon LI. Here PL equal to H, LI equal to V. So beta equal to H upon V. Now delta equal to alpha plus beta. So on substituting, the value of alpha equal to minus H upon U and beta equal to H upon V. In this equation, delta equal to minus H upon U plus H upon V. So delta equal to minus H upon U plus H upon V. Now if we take H as a common, then delta equal to H, and in bracket 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. But for thin lens formula 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Here F is the focal length of thin lens. So 1 upon V minus 1 upon U can be replaced by 1 upon F. So delta equal to H upon F. So delta equal to H upon F. Since the value of delta does not depend on alpha and beta, So all the rays incident at P would suffer the same deviation. So here we end our session. In the current session, we have discussed about the deviation produced by a thin lens. So goodbye.